Would you help set the mood for our new guest?
Let us begin.
Are we ready?
Octane in my veins, rebel heart in my frame. Ain't no saddle in a wild horse, taking off with the reins. I'm impossible to tame, yeah. I don't know how to behave, so they label me a lost cause, living life against the grain. I've been running since I've been alive, never no surrender, so you've been advised. Adrenaline kicking, I'm energized. I'm about to make it uncivilized, living fast, never fearful. Yeah, that's the vision that I peer through, leave you choking on my smoke, disappearing in my rear view. Never slowing down, bang in the plan. There I go, going, catch me if you can. I just hit the zone, you don't stand a chance. There I go, going, catch me if you can. Come on, catch me if you can. Come on, catch me if you can. Never slowing down, they ain't in the plan. There I go, going, catch me if you can. Got a destiny to claim, my enemies feel the same. Born free, I'ma die free, better remember the name. Let's go, here they come chasing me down, I ain't even entertained. I release torque with a G-force and I lift off from the lane. Innovators never repeat, imitators wanna be me. Set fire to a new path, and I made it look easy. I'm a problem that you don't